In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a link into a Google document using your smartphone. Now the first thing you need to do, go ahead and open the Google document that you want to insert a link. Tap on the pencil icon on the lower right of your screen to enable editing of the Google document. Now here the document is enabled for editing, and now we can make changes. We want to insert a link under the word document in this text. Now what we need to do is to go first and grab the link that we want to insert under the word document. For us to do so, you have to go back and grab the link. So let's go back and grab the link first. And here's the link that I want to use. Go ahead and copy it. Once you have grabbed the link, go back to your Google document, select the word or the phrase under which you want to insert the link. Go ahead and tap on the three dots above the word. From here, select the insert link option. Go ahead and tap on the link box. Now from here, you can go ahead and paste the link. There are two options. One, we can go ahead and just tap on the link that is appearing above the keyboard, or alternatively we can long press in the link box and then the paste option will appear. Once we tap on it, it will insert the link. Once you're done, click on the tick to check, and that is it. As you can see now, the color of the word has changed. If we tap on it, you can see there is a link under it and gives us that is giving us an option either to remove the link, edit the link, or even open the link. Now before you go ahead and open the link, maybe in Chrome, to check if it is working, it is good to save the changes by tapping on the check mark on the top left of our document. And that is done. Let's go ahead and try and tap on it and see what happens. And here you can see the page has opened and it is working correctly. If you found this video helpful, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and also liking this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.